Hello students, today we are going to study next combinational circuit, encoder. Encoder is a combinational circuit which is used to perform the inverse operation of decoder. And encoder has n number of inputs lines and m number of output lines. And encoder produces m number of m-bit binary code corresponding to n number of digital words. And this is the block diagram of encoder. In this encoder, there are n number of input, accepts the n number of digital word and converts into m number of bit another digital word. For example, BCD number is applied at the input and that can be converted into binary number at the output. The internal combinational circuit of encoder is designed by accordingly. There are the different types. First is a priority encoder. Second is the decimal to BCD encoder. Third is the octal to binary encoder. And fourth is a hexadecimal to binary encoder. These are the different types of encoder. This is a combinational circuit. It has n number of inputs, m number of outputs, and it produces n number of input digital word and converts it into m number of digital words. These are the types of encoder we study. This is the first priority encoder. In this priority encoder, D0, D1, D2, D3 are the inputs and Y0 and Y1 are the outputs. In this, D0 has the lowest priority and D3 has the highest priority. Priorities are given to the input lines. If two or more input lines are 1 at the same time, the input line with the highest priority will be considered. And this is the block diagram of the priority encoder, and this is the truth table of priority encoder. And from the truth table, we design the equation of as a Y0, that is the Y0 or Y1. And from that, we design the priority encoder. But the logic for the priorities are given to the input lines. If two or more input lines are highest, that is the lines are 1 at the same time, then that input line will be with the highest priority will be considered. There are the 4 inputs D0 to D3 and 2 outputs Y1 and Y0. Output of the 4 D3 in D3 has highest priority. D3 has the highest priority and D0 has the lowest priority. That means if D3 is 1, then Y1 and Y0 are output 1 1. Last condition that D3 1, D2, D1, D0 don't care, then Y0 and Y1 are the 1 1 irrespective of the other input. Similarly, if D3 is 0, D2 is 1 and D3 0, D2 1, D1, D0 are 0, don't care. D2 is 1, then output is 1 0 irrespective of the other input. Means that priorities are given to the input line if 2 or more input lines are 1. Then that output that line is the highest priority will be considered. Means D3 1, Y1, Y0 1 1. D2 2, that is number 0 1, having D2 2 number having 1, so that output Y1 and Y0 are 1 0. Then D1 has that 0 0 1 don't care, that D1 has 1 input, so that output is a Y1 and Y0 are 0 1. Then D0 having the D0 is a 1, D0 input is selecting, so output as a 0 0, that is a Y0 and Y1 are a 0 0. And from the truth table, we design the inputs and we design the equation for the Y0 and Y1. And from that truth table, you have to consider the inputs and output lines, and we implement that diagram on the equation. This is the priority encoder. D0 has the highest priority, D3 having highest priority, D0 having the lowest priority. From the truth table, we design the equations for Y0 and Y1, and we design from the equation we design this diagram. that the priority encoders ICs are available, and that ICs are the for 74147, that is a 10^4 priority encoder, that is decimal to BCD, and 74148, that is the octal to binary priority encoder. These are ICs available for priority encoder. Next is the octal to binary encoder. In this octal to binary block diagram, octal mean input has 8 input line and output has a 3. That D0 to D7 are the inputs and output B0, B1, B2 are the outputs. These are the output line. Corresponding to 8 input octal number, we get the 3 binary output. Note that in this, that encoders only one input will have a value at the time, one input will have one value at any binary output. So that D0 to D7 are the inputs, and from the D0 having input, that is the corresponding 8 input octal number, we get the 3 binary output. In this encoder only one input will one value at the given time, means D0 having one value at a time, then output B0, B1 is 0, 0. Next D1 having the input value 1, other are 0, then output for D1 having value 1, input 1, so output as a 0, 0, 1 means 1. From D0 to D7, that is the inputs, and that input having, that is a corresponding to that encoders only one input will have one value means D7 having 1, D7 1, so output as a 1, 1, 1 as a B0, B1, B2 as a 1, 1, 1. D6 having value 1 in truth table, so output as a B0, B1 as 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. D5 having input value 1, 1. So 5 means 1, 0, 1. So B0, B1, B2 are 1, 0. That are the truth table we design, and from this truth table logical expression for the output as follow, that is B0 is equal to B0 output selecting, and for that B0 where is the output, where output is 1, 1, that input line is considered. So this is the first B0, B here for B0, that line consider as a first is a B0, B1, B2, B3. This B2 equation as a form B2, B1, B0, from these outputs we design the equations, and from the equation diagram as a data for B2 having the, sorry, in this diagram there is a one changes for B0, here sequence is wrong. For B0, that input as a consider as a D1, so in equation as for B0 is a D1, D3, D5, D7. Next for B1 as a first is a D2, D3, D6 and D7, and for B2 as input line, this is here is 1, 1, 1, 1, that input line is considered. Here one output, that input line for D4. Next this is the next is a B2 1, that is a for D5, so equation is D4, D5, D6 and D7, and from that equation we design the diagram, and this is the logic diagram for the B0, B1 and B2. This is the octal to binary encoder. Next is a decimal to BCD encoder. In this decimal to BCD encoder, that is decimal base is a 10, that decoder is called as a 10^4 encoder, that is called as a 10^4 encoder. In this there are the 10 inputs from D0 to D9, and outputs are B0, B1, B2, B3, 4 outputs, and only one input line is set to be true at the time to get the respective BCD code of the output side, and this is the decimal to BCD encoder, and from this only one input at the time will be high or true, that is D0 is 1, so B0, B1, B2 are the 0, 0. At the next from this truth table, next D1 is 1, all other inputs are 0, D1 1, so output is a 0 0 0 1. That are from 0 to 9, that is a BCD base is a 10. 0 to 9, that is a only one input will be at a time 1, and that respective output will be get at the output side. And from that truth table B0, B1, B2, B3, we get that equation, that is the consider that B3 complete line. B3 is here in last two column, that is a 1 1 1 1, that input lines for D8 and D9. So equation is B3 is D8 D9. For B2 line, consider where is 1 1 output, that input line is considered, that is for D4 D5 D4 D5 D6 D7, that line is a 1 1 input, and for that output is 1. So B2 is equal to D4 D5 D6 D7. Next B1 is input, consider B1 output is for input line, consider B1 is here third condition, B1 is 1, that input is for D2. So in equation D2 plus D3, for D3 also 1. So for input is that D3 is 1, output is 1 for B1. So D2, D3, D6, D7 is equation for B1. Next is B0 equation. For B0, where is output 1, that input line is considered. That here is for second condition, B0 is 1, that input is for that input, that output is 1, that is a D1. D1 is for D1, output is 1 for B0. So D1. Next for D3, D5, D7 and D9. So that equation for B0, D1, for the B0 equation D1, D3, D5, D7 plus D9. So there are the four OR gates are required. From inputs are D0 to D9 and outputs are B0, B1, B2, B3. This is the priority, this is the decimal to BCD encoder. These are the types of encoders we study. In the next lecture we study the decoder.